Pry and remove the air conditioning decorative panel. Unplug the connector on the back of the air conduit warmer panel. Take out the main unit panel and unplug the connector. Take out the storage box at the bottom and pull out the connecting plug. Pinch the fiber optic cable buckle and disconnect it from the power harness. Unplug the connector and remove the original car screen. Note: if your car has a fiber optic cable green color, please plug it into the power harness. Connect the connector of the Android car screen to the original host. Connect the Android car screen harness to the connector of the original harness and press the buckle firmly. For G module. GPS module. USB cable. Power cable. LVDS plug. Route the 4G antenna, GPS antenna and USB cable through the passenger seat storage box to the back of the Android car screen. Note: you can also place the GPS 4G antenna on the dashboard. Note: before you put everything back, please check the functions of the car radio such as sound, FM, Bluetooth, ECT. Reinstall the host to its original location, lock and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the storage box to its original location. Reconnect the main panel wiring harness and place it to the original location. Reinstall the connector on the back of the air conditioner panel and put the air conditioner panel back in place. Connect the red cable from the backup camera to the reverse cable named PCAM, usually brown color, on the power harness. Connect yellow plug from the backup camera to the yellow plug named CAM A on the power harness.